What's up guys, and welcome to Roladel Business. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to claim a free BNB coin in your wallet. It's a very fast and very simple method. So I'm going to be showing you simple steps I took to be able to claim this BNB, and we're going to be doing it together in this video. So before we proceed to that today, after this video I want to be doing a free giveaway to everyone that watches it to the end. Yes, I'm going to do a free giveaway. I'm going to be giving out some amount of BNB to you guys. I'm going to be giving out over $40 worth of BNB, and I'm going to just come out from my Binance, and I'm going to be doing this giveaway after this video. So all you have to do to qualify for this giveaway is very simple. So all you gotta do is, number one, if you have not subscribed to my channel, you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, you hit the subscribe button below the video you're watching. You're going to see the subscribe button and the small icon right here. You hear the small icon, and to get notified when I drop new videos like this that will interest you, and you see like this like button here, you hit this like button, and don't forget to hit the share button here also, and then you comment under this video. Let me know what you think about this video, and after you comment, I'll love you to drop your wallet address. Drop your wallet address, as I'm going to be giving out my massive free BNB giveaway to Roladel business subscribers. But you must have to have subscribed, like and share, and then you drop a wallet in the comment section and you're going to receive a free coin. I'm going to drop it into your wallet directly, so we're going to be proceeding. So don't forget, you must get the like, you subscribe, you turn on the notification bell, and you share this video. So without wasting much time, let's proceed back to Trust Wallet. Let's proceed with today's video to make sure you guys can claim this free BNB coin to your wallet. The first thing we have to do is to proceed to adapt, and you're going to enter a link which I'm going to be putting on the description. So the link to this airdrop is going to be on description, and if you can't get it in the description, just drop your comments below and I will walk you through. If you have any questions, you have anything disturbing you that you want to ask, you want to inquire, you can get to ask me through the comment section as well. And mind you, my videos are just for educational purposes and entertainment purposes, and to just get you informed and teach you and show you an object. You can do well to do your research and before getting into it. So firstly, to get started with claiming this airdrop here, you click right here to check this to be a smart chain. You almost always remember to put in the BNB smashing, so it's not on the BNB smashing. Next thing you see here is where it says claim airdrop. So this is BNB Dex. So you click on this claim airdrop, it's going to lead you down here. As you can see here, automatically this airdrop and pre-sale is going to be ended in the 33 days, and the downtime is counting. So right here you see where it says sell BNB for the first 10,000 people. So you just gotta click on this claim BNB. It's going to tell you to automatically connect your wallet, and then you click on connect wallet, and it's going to set up a smart contract call. And the process of the smart contract current is going to take a little amount of BNB. So we just click on approve and wait for it to load up. So once it loads up, the next thing you gotta do is pretty simple and easy. The next thing you gotta do is to just get back your wallet. So we get back to our let's try here, and you refresh, and then you hit this. So you see this little icon here, you hit on this little icon. Then the next thing you type some random stuff on the wallet to get a load of stuff. Then you click on this add custom token, then you change this to smashing, change the network to smashing. So you hit this, it enters the smashing network. Then you paste the contract address. The contract address is going to be on the description, so you can get it any of them, any of those places. So the next thing you hit this down here, you hit it, and once you hit done, automatically you're going to receive this free sell BNB to your coin wallet automatically. And when the airdrop and pre-sale of these coins end, it's going to be reflecting each price and then lifting the listing prices actually high. So you're going to be having lots of funds coming from this. It's going to be making good money from it. So all you guys gotta do is actually an airdrop. You just have to claim it in your wallet. Don't buy the airdrop, just claim the airdrop and have it in your wallet. And then when you get small listen and then it's out, it's going to show you some prices, and then you're going to make money from it. So that's it, and thanks for watching, and I'll keep updating you guys on my content. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and paste your BNB address on the comment section for free giveaway. And I'm going to be doing this just for the next 10%, and after the 10 people, that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and bye for now.